Have you ever wondered how bacteria eat? Unlike complex multicellular animals, these small critters are single-cellular. They don't have a mouth or a functional digestive system. So how do they eat? Bacteria eat by absorbing nutrients from their environment. To obtain essential nutrients, they depend on passive and active transport mechanisms. Passive transport, also called as diffusion, relies on a concentration gradient to move the nutrients inside the cell. This movement is a result of random collisions between molecules. The molecules try to spread out and distribute evenly across the available space. Imagine if this balloon were to burst. All the crammed up air molecules will move out and occupy the free space in the surroundings. The molecules migrate from a higher concentration zone to lower concentration until equilibrium is achieved. No energy is expended in this process by the bacteria. Getting all the nutrients for free may sound like the best thing ever, but they simply can't rely on passive diffusion for their survival. In a nutrient-deficient ecosystem, the concentration of certain nutrients inside the cell would be much higher in comparison to the surroundings. In such cases, the nutrients would be more interested in migrating outside rather than coming inside. They must actively uptake and accumulate nutrients against the natural flow to ensure their survival. This is called as active transport. Imagine pushing a rock uphill. It requires a lot of energy. In active transport, the nutrients are taken up by the cells against the concentration gradient by expending energy in the form of ATPs. ATP is the energy currency of the cell, powering several cellular activities. What if the nutrients are too big or has a complex structure that cannot be taken in directly? Bacteria secrete protein compounds called enzymes into the surrounding environment. Enzymes help break down complex molecules into smaller subunits, making it easier for the bacteria to absorb them. Well, so what do they do with all these acquired nutrients? They are used to produce cellular components like enzymes, which carry out vital functions within the cell. They are also used for cellular growth and repair, ATP production, and of course, making more bacteria.